easier anyway. Was that a cat that fell out of there?
Yeah.
Like, was there stuff in it?
It looked like that.
Holy shit.
Yeah, it looked like she was full. It looks like somebody was trying to cut it off.
Huh. No shit.
Looks full, don't it?
Yeah.
What are the cats worth now?
Oh, they're all different. They're down right now, but, you know, worth something. Like, that's probably $50 anyway, you know what I mean?
Yeah, that's all right.
I'll take that. Decent. Careful. Don't bump into the red dragoon. That's my good one. I apologize. The red dragoon's my good one. Avid. Oh dear. Friggin' rights.
Shitty bag, but it does.
No worries. Perfect. Thank you. What, Jack? Your lessons. Holy schnikowitz, boys. Holy shit. Look at this place. Could you imagine? Freaking squirrels and everything over here. We're here. We made it. Their front yard, eh? Unbelievable. Probably $30,000 a month just to maintain all that. You know what I mean? Good Lord. Not sure how good of an idea it is buying vehicles sight unseen at the auction.
Right. Then the destination is on your left.
Yeah, I know, man. Holy shit. But that's what we did. So we'll be happy. Oh, what the fuck? I don't know. I'm not pulling in there though. Oh dear. How you doing?
What? One moment.
No worries.
Where are you parked?
Out on the road, I got a trailer.
Oh, okay.
I wasn't sure about pulling in here.
Someone will get the sheet from you and then they'll tell
Right
you
on.
where to go.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Back to where. Oh, wait, Chris. This is the seller's package. You'll need that as well.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks.
switch right there. Look what I've done. No, that's not it, is it? No, that can't be it. Is this it? This is it. It's a freaking Duramax? Oh no, Vortec. Good Lord. Fires right up. I was gonna say. Well, the windows don't go down. Let's see if the air conditioner works. The air conditioner don't work, window controls don't work. Oh dear, what have I done? Oh, that's it, you can't get out. That's what the problem is. It's an interior door. The old rolling down the road tech. That's f***ing handy. Love it when your truck just rolls down the road while you're trying to f***ing load trucks and different things. Holy f***. This thing is f***ing junk. What are people going to think of me? I don't think we could have got much closer than that. Nope. Well, here she is, boys. What do you think? I'm having buyer's remorse, to be honest with you. I was kind of hoping that I was just playing auction and not really actually... I mean, there's some stuff that I wanted, but when this truck was like, you know, 800 bucks, I was like, yeah. You know what I mean? And then I got the all like, who the f***'s this guy bidding up 1,000? I'll bid 1,200. And then you bid, who's this dick building 1,400? I'll bid 16, you know what I mean? And so on and so forth. So that's what happened there. I'm a little nervous what people are going to start thinking of me. Seeing this parked in the yard. Because I really, really care what people think of me, you know what I mean? You know what I mean, dudes? Oh, yeah. It says it needs driver's door handle, but it needs all the handles. Right? So that's just f***ing great. Holy shit. What have I done? You know what I mean? Any words? Okay, go. Oh dear, boys. We made it back to Inwood, but I'm almost wishing we crashed because look what I've done. You know, if we crashed, I probably could have got like insurance. It's like every bit of it is no good. The bumper, I thought, oh, maybe the bumper's good. Nope, big crack right there. I mean, that whole thing's plastic anyway. What the dick? Oh, man. Tires don't seem that bad, I guess. Box is rotten, cab's rotten, doors are rotten, engine's mild out. Yeah. Right, man. Anybody got an old fucking shit truck, just bring it to auction. Tell Park One about it. He'll be there. Unnecessarily denounced himself. So that's cool. What happened?
Don't pump her up too much.
What happened?
You scared him?
He's a barky every time. This is a barky every time. What happened?
She's pretty, eh?
Mm-hmm.
This is
Smaller than I
Clementine.
thought. Smaller than I thought.
Stay down. Stay down. Good girl.
What happened?
She gets excited really easy.
What happened? What happened? What happened?
She loves it here. Hey, we don't do that here, Gritty. Good girl. Gentle.
What happened?
Gracie. Good girl, Clementine.
Who is that?
Billy's like, okay, but like...
What happened? Stay down.
Stay down. Good girl. Don't do that, Sheldon.
Nick's Lawn and Property Maintenance. Oh, Nick. Thanks a lot. Oh, but check this out, dudes. Hey? Just solid as frig, too. Hey, my attachment. My friggin' attachment. I should have put this on the inside, but, you know, I didn't realize there was going to be that much room because I was in the Rushapini stages of my build here. But just welded a piece of round rod down there to hold this edge and cut that little piece of plastic for back there. Little weldy poo nut on the back side. How you doing, hey? Double batteries, done. Scores! Picked up an intake for it too, but he's like, yeah, it's 4-inch, but it's 4-inch on the filter end and only 3.5 on that end, so that's totally cool. Hey, right on. I appreciate that. I appreciate that, but we might be able to like utilize some of this box or something to just like cobble the filter down in there. But you know, either way, that plastic tube isn't the right Ackerman. I was hoping that I could use like, you know, this end, you know, like that to come out of the turb ski and just freaking hang that J-bend, but she too muchy. Too muchy hit this thing. So we need to get just a slight, not that angle. And it'll be awesome. But it's got to be short enough so it doesn't interfere with the friggin' mafculator. Ow! Holy living fucking shit today, boys. I quit. That's it. Shut her down. Shut her down. Quit. I'll talk to you tomorrow.